we are off to school, and it's
What?
Sunday,
Friday.
Friday, and Oliver's at the back, so I'm the only one vlogging.
Okay.
But
Alright.
Indy's a set of mommy.
Yeah. Alright, let's go. Daddy's waiting for you. I love your hair, girl. So pretty.
Bye!
Aww. Ang lakas na magbayad itong batang to. Come on. Say bye.
Give me love, give me all your love, oh, 'cause I want you. No one else makes me feel this way, don't know what you do. Hold my hand, could you hold my hand, look me in the eyes. You and me, yeah, that's all I need, and I'll be alright. I'll be right here. I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer. I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough. If you're giving me your love, giving me your love. All that we have is each other now. Promise you won't leave my side. I hope who I am is enough for you. If I'm giving you my love, giving you my love, love. Tell me what you wanna do. I'll do anything. As long as I can be here with you, everything's alright.
Bye. Where are you going? Help? Let go.
I swear that I'll
Whee!
stay here with you. Closer. I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now.
Say all done. Uy.
Your side.
Uy. Uy. Yum, yum. Say ta. Ta. Sus, kabuyag. No. No. Ang galing na mag-open, oh. Sus. Alam na alam, oh. Galing mag-open. You wanna draw? Na, drawing na siya, guys. Alright, come here. Texter? Nandun yung texter na. What color? What color? Blue? Blue. What color? Blue? What color? Blue? Blue. Okay, I'll get blue. I'll get blue. Gusto niya yung blue. Eh, klarong-klaro daw kasi. Blue. I got blue. Yay. I got small blue. Eee, come here. Yes. Is that yours? Oh, so cool. What color? Blue? Blue. And this one, small one. Wee, so cool. Wow. Well done. Wow. Keep drawing, yeah. Show me once it's done, okay? Done? What color? Done. Whoa. What color? Blue. Blue? Blue. What's your name?
Big.
B. dancing. What color?
Good.
Blue. Good job. No, don't eat blue. No, ay. See, ang galing na talaga mag-open-open. Ah, you did it. You did it. You did it. You did it. Good job. Drew? Drew? You did it. Good job. Well done, beautiful. You did it. Yay. You did it. You did it. You did it. Yay. Didi did it. I did it. You did it. Yes, good job. Oy, adobo. Chicken adobo yung ulam ko. Masarap. Nagluto ako kagabi. Empanada yung sa'yo. Ito naman. Inis naman ito.
May panada ako. Gagawa ko nga si Janan, hindi na
Hindi ako dahil. Ano tong akin? Brown rice at saka white rice combination. Yeah.
Hindi siya nag-control lang.
Hindi ko pa na-try yung shirataki. Baka sa dalhin ko yun sa Renmark. Try ko with you.
Try mo.
Pag nakita tayo nga, sabay tayo. Sarap ng adobo ko, Inday.
Sarap ng adobo. Okay lang ako.
Anong cravings mo ngayon? Yun lang? Yung cravings mo, yun lang? Bicol Express?
Yeah, Bicol Express lang.
Maghintay ka pa 3 weeks.
Sa Boracay for barbecue. Ay, sarap niya.
Maghintay ka pa 3 weeks, Inday.
Mapapakain ako niya. Wala, isang palapit na yun. Diyos ko, ang bilis na lang. Next week,
Kaya
2 weeks na lang.
nga,
Ang bilis
as
na lang.
in.
Kasi tinan mo, 2 weeks. Next week, 2 weeks na. Diyos ko, kumusta ang schedule ng mga bata mo sa mga activities?
Nilipat ko ng Tuesday yung sports ni Arlo. Tapos Friday ng gabi yung swimming nila. Tapos Sabado yung ni Ayla. Gymnastics.
Gymnastics. Ayaw ko talaga.
Where's head? Oh, cute! Aww! Huwag tanggalin. Put it back. In fairness, nagstay kanina ng mga 5 minutes. Hindi niya tinatanggal. Alright, come on. Ooh. Oh no! So cute! Look. So pretty. What do you want? You guys, hapon na! 5-something na ng hapon. Nakaalis na si Ayla, si Arlo, at saka si Dan for their swimming. And magluluto ako ng pinakbit. Yun yung dinner ko tonight. So magluto muna tayo. Wait. Wait! Hala, hi! You wanna say hi? Oh, sige. Hi! Oh. Meron kasi akong ingredients ng pang-pakbit. So, pang-pakbit tayo. What? Meron ako mga frozen na gulay dito. Talong, okra, string beans. Yung okra ang dami nito. So, konti lang yung natin. Oh! Naipit ka na naman. You're okay. Tinry ko siyang patulugin kanina, before sila umalis. So, just before 5, tinry ko siyang patulugin. Hindi talaga siya natulog. It's 5:25 na. So, sabi ko mamaya na lang patulugin ko siya ng niya. Normal na bedtime. Pero ano na, hindi din ako makaluto ba? Aww. what do you want? Do you want watermelon? I'll give you watermelon. Naipit ka? Which one? Watermelon. This one? Yes? Yes? Come on, begin. I'll give you watermelon, yeah? This one? Okay. So, isa to sa mga rason kung bakit hindi ko magawa-gawa yung story time. Like, kaya hindi ako nakakagawa ng Q&A videos, guys, because I don't have the time to just sit down and talk to you guys. So, pasensya na. Pero okay lang yan. Hindi naman sila forever ganito. Darating tayo sa point na ang tahimik na ng bahay natin. But not now. Alright, come on. Go to your chair. You wanna sit here next to Mama? Come here. Oh, you wanna put it in the bowl? No, binigyan niyo akong bowl. No, I'll put it straight to your... Ano? Come here, this way. So, Mom... Yeah, so while Mommy's cooking, you eat it. Take this off. 1, 2, peekaboo! Whoa, so yummy! 1, 2, 3, 4. Yummy watermelon! Paborito yun ni D. Alright, come on, let's cook. May kamatis ba yung ano? Wala na. Too late. I don't have kamatis. Meron ako nito. Unahin ko muna yung pork. What did you say? All done? Uy, hilaw pa yan, B. Ubusin mo yan. Binigyan ko siya ng more pa. Tapos na siya daw. Wala akong kamatis. Okay lang ba yan? Nandun na yung pork ko, guys. Nakasalang na yung aking pork. I know, Didi. All done? All done? Alright, I'll take you out. Wait. All done? Oh, you're still eating. You wanna eat? Hey, sige, finish it. Finish it. Tapusin mo yan. All done? Yeah, no, drink it. Ano naman tinuturo-turo mo dyan, B? Mga hilaw pa yan, B. Mamaya na. What? All done? Come. Oh my gosh. Ay, nako. Paka-sticky ng ating floor. Wait. Hindi, kaya ko pa ba, di? Mami, pinatulog ka, ayaw mo matulog. na langaw. Sinusubok ako ng panahon di. Tingnan niyo siya, guys. Didi! You're so cute! I love your hat! I love your hat, Didi! Do you wanna make iced tea?
Yeah.
Yes? Yeah? You wanna see? Oh, so cute! Oh my gosh, Didi! Oy! I love you, my love. You're a good girl?
D.
Yeah, Di. Good job! Gusto mo mag-iced tea? Iced tea tayo? Mag-iced tea tayo. Marami tayong ice dyan. Wait, inano ko na, hiniwa-hiwa ko na yung pork. Kasi i-freeze ko na to. Hindi tayo magluluto sa weekend because may mga ganap na naman tayo sa weekend. Balik na ang ating mga full-on weekends. Yes, Di? Mabait lang siya dyan. Lagay ko na to sa freezer. Ito na yung ating pinakbet. Sharap na neto, guys. Pinapalambot ko lang yung ating gulay. Gusto ko kasi malambot na malambot yung gulay. Arlo, how was your swimming?
That's all I'm running with Happy Birthday, sir.
That is Arlo, yeah. How was your swimming, quiz?
Good.
Good?
I need this after.
Okay. How was your swimming, Ayla?
So good, actually.
So good?
Baby,
That's good.
I was actually a little bit sad because we actually did the suitcase. And then, I was a little bit sad because we actually did the suitcase.
Oh, really? You ran out of time?
Yeah.
Oh,
I did suitcase and I was really, really happy.
Oh, that's good.
It doesn't know how to do things. I wish I was in all this classes right now. What is doing the
Come on, hurry up.
They're hanging. That's
Hey,
pizza
Alo,
fruit.
big bite. Lutuan natin ng itlog si Dan.
What's wrong?
Ano lang naman to?
What's wrong? Spit it out.
Scrambled eggs. Gustuhan niya yung scrambled eggs ko eh. Yung ginagawa ko, itlog, tapos nilalagyan ko ng gatas. Is your meat almost finished?
Yes. 5 minutes.
Yeah. Can I have the milk, please? So, 4 na itlog. Lalagyan ko ng gatas para fluffy yung ano. Para fluffy yung itlog. So, nilalagyan ko din ng cheese.
No, please?
Yes, please. Luto na yung ano ko, guys. Ulam ko, kaya lang yung rice ko. Still cooking. Kasi lalagyan ko siya ng konting-konting oil lang. So, pwede lang ako mag-spray nga ng oil. Tapos mahina lang din yung apoy. Spatula. Wa. So, ayan na. Ready na yan, guys. Lagyan ko na lang ng cheese. Habang mainit pa yung egg. And that is Daddy's eggs. Lagay ko na yan sa plato niya kasi magme-melt na yan yung cheese. Sarap mga scrambled egg na yarns. Napakain ko na yung mga bata. Ako naman. Si Dan din kumakain na dun sa table. Daming gulay guys. Oh, buyag-buyag.
Baby.
Bibi.
Mama.
Ano sa man, Bi? Kain. What do you want? Your grapes? This one, look. Go to your chair, go to your chair. Go to your chair, go to your chair. Didi lang. Didi lang. Ay, nako guys. Kakarating yan ng mga bata. Tingnan niyo kung gaano kakalat. Pakakalat naman. Kailangan ko sumubo kasi umiinit yung ulo ko. Umiinit na ang ulo ko. Tapos na ang araw. Kain tayo. Buti na lang masarap ang ating dinner. Uy, biyag-biyag. Uy, biyag-biyag. Ang sarap ng aking dinner. Salamat, Lord. Maanghang-anghang kasi yung shrimp paste na gamit ko maanghang. Yung Barrio Fiesta na red. Yummy? Thank you. And guys, ang dami ko na mag-ulam ngayon. Sa tingin yan, para ang dami, pero konti lang yung rice sa ilalim. Dinadamihan ko yung ulam kasi mabilis akong mabusog. So kapag mas marami yung ulam, mas konti yung rice na nakakain ko kasi busog na ako. Udan? I'll give you pumpkin. Yummy? Yung gulay? Here. Oh. Kamayin mo. Good job. Ito, buyag-buyag nito eh. Kung ano-ano ka nakain. Good job, baby. Eat it, okay? Yeah. Good job! Yeah, ang messy din ng lounge. Kabilang lounge. They will clean up anyway. Ay, nako. Yung I haven't taken out their lunchbox. I'll do it in a minute.
What's that?
Their bag. Well done? Which one? This one? Good job! Kamain, babe. Well done, Dede. Kumain na to ng chicken adobo. Yun yung dinner ng dalawa eh. Natirang chicken adobo. Sinubuan ko lang sila kasi gutom na from swimming. Uy, ang sarap. Buyag-buyag. Ang sarap ng pinakbit. Ang simple lang nito. Wala nga kamatis.
Dada.
Agad di. Gara di.
Hi.
Kulang yung ulam natin di. Kulang di. I'll get more, okay? You like it? Oh, too big, sorry. Do it again. Yeah. Yeah, that's just like that. You bite it. Smaller bites, again. Better now. Small now. It's okay. Eat it. I don't want it. Thank you. I don't want it. You can have it. Yay. Good job, Didi. Good job, Indy. Yummy? Yummy! Dance? Oh, show Daddy dancing. Show Daddy dancing. Daddy, look. Ah, you're dancing. Like that, dance. Nalagot to attend ko yan? Yeah, go. Say bye-bye. Say bye. Say bye.
Hello, Josh. I'm joining with India and I got by my pen. Alright.
Which one?
Are you drawing with
That's my texture. So that's the one I found. I found it. I found my other one. Baby.
Oh.
Indy has one in it. It's the only one she can
You don't
have.
watch that one, do you?
I haven't started drawing, and I don't know what to draw yet.
Draw Indy. Oh, that?
But I'm gonna do a stitch. I forgot to draw. I want to do a stitch.
Oh, wow. So cool, Didi.
What's that noise?
That is cool. Wow, good job, Didi. Ano sinasabi mo, Di? Ha? Wow, so cool, Didi. Grabe ka seryoso niya, oh.
Okay. Then how do I learn draw?
All done, Dee? All done?
This how we do
No.
sticky die. Okay, that's how we do sticky die.
Yeah, good job, Ayla. What are you trying to draw?
Stitch.
Stitch.
Because this is my favorite character.
Yeah, she's really good at drawing Stitch now. Not copying anything. Look at that.